Hey Glam Fam, this is the new Lip Injection Extreme Lip Shaper Plumping Lip Liners. I did purchase this myself. It's available in 6 shades. I did go with Post-Op Pink. This product makes you look like you got lip fillers. So I'm gonna show you guys how I utilize it. So I'm starting off, and I'm not trying to be precise. I noticed the first time I used it, I got very red around my mouth because it is so intense. But after I started using it more and more, it stopped getting so red. And then what I do is I just take my microfiber towel. I don't take any makeup remover, and I just buy these on Amazon. I'll put the link below. Now that I have all my makeup on, I'm going in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills lip liner in Hazelnut. This lip liner just really gives me that precision, and then I'll go back in with the Too Faced lip liner and fill in the rest, and that really avoids the irritation around my mouth. And then I add in my Milani lipstick. I've been loving this lipstick. This is in Secret. And then I'll top off the look with the Too Faced lip gloss in Soulmate, and that is how I create a more plumped lip filler like effect. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you hit that like button, and I will see you guys on the next video.